Tyler and his auntie. More gifts and more gifts and more gifts. Look, 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 go. He's huge. They are so huge. Tyler, what is this? These turtles are huge. You see that one over there? You see the turtle? Alright, come on, let's go. You guys, look what we just found. Breadfruit tree in all its glory right in front of us. Breadfruit tree, and there's breadfruit on it too, but they're young. Yes, yeah, breadfruit here, but it's young. Ty, look at these two traveling, traveling in this overhead thing. They're gonna go all the way out. Go, Tyler, go. Slowly, do some more. Yes! Oh my gosh! Babu! Now it's Papa's turn. Okay, Mama gonna join in on this one. Whew. What? You stuck? Is the end? Wow, we're in a house. Come. Oh, there's a slide. Go. Ooh. You want to go on the other one over there? Go, go, baby, go. I think you need to pull up his pants and tighten his belt a little bit more. They're having so much fun. I love seeing you two this little moment. Go, baby, go. Go, Ty. Whoa! Crocodile. Don't push him no more. Yeah. Keep up. You want to see more crocodile? All right, we're gonna go see more crocodile. Okay. All right, take him down. Come on, let's go. See more crocodile. Come this way. Yes, it's over here. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know where to press it. It's locked. You guys, that crocodile farm was a Delaveau. We had so much fun, and now we are hungry. At least I'm hungry. I know Tyler is hungry, but we're actually waiting on two of our friends to arrive, and then we're gonna find somewhere to go and eat. We bought Tyler this cute crocodile. Well, cute to Tyler, but not cute to me. So that's Tyler crocodile. So he got the crocodile from the crocodile farm, of course. We talked to you guys, we checked in with you guys. We left the crocodile farm and we did so many things after that. Watch babe over there. Babe digging out your teeth. We left the crocodile farm and we went to this other city to explore a little. Oh yeah, we went to eat. We went to eat. I think I have a little clip of that. And then we went to another city to see to get something special that's made in that particular city named Nougat. If I had it close, I would have shown you guys. Yeah, maybe we're gonna go for it so I can show you guys what we went and got something that I really like. So went there and got that, and now we're at babe's uncle's house where we're going to have dinner, and I think babe's sister and her husband is coming by. So we're just here. Tyler's here playing. He's right there. Tyler, Ty, Tyler, Ty. Say hi, Fibs. Say hi, Fibs. Look. Say hi, Fibs. You're not talking to the Fibs? Pizza. No, that's not pizza. This is what we got.
Yeah, we got more than this, but this is
one type. So this is like peanut pistachio inside, and I honestly can't explain to you what is this on the outside.
It is good.
It is really good. So we went and we got that, and we're at babe uncle's house.
A giveaway.
Waiting on some more family to get by. So we're just here having an amazing day. Sorry you guys if these vlogs are not ending the traditional way, but hopefully you guys understand we're still taking you guys along on our vacation, as we still have a few more days here to catch up with family and friends. So that's what's up right now. Okay, say hi, Fibs. Hi, Fibs. You guys, French life, more food. That's before dinner. Yummy. When it's not the dog, it's the cat. Ah, when it's not the dog, it's the cat. Oui. C'est quoi?
C'est quoi? Je sais pas.
Miraculine.
Attends, mais il faut que tu me dises ce que c'est. C'est une baie. J'ai peut-être pas droit.
Non, c'est une baie.
C'est une baie de quoi?
Non, c'est quoi?
C'est quoi? C'est des trucs hallucinogènes, machin?
T'as du mal?
Non. C'est quoi?
Quand t'as du mal, ça te fait repartir.
On goûte? What? Ici. On va goûter? C'est la CNB en fait, c'est juste une poudre qu'ils en font pour laquelle.
Yeah! What? Dis merci tata Nounou. Bisous à tata, gros bisous. Oui.
Tiens, regarde.
Ah, encore?
What? Parce que la baie elle est pourrie. Donc du coup ils récupèrent la molécule de la baie, ils en font une poudre.
Thailand is auntie. More gifts and more gifts and more gifts.
Tiens, regarde. Il y en a encore plein dedans. Qu'est-ce que c'est cadeau?
C'est ta soeur.
Oh bah voilà.
Ah oui, mais c'est ta soeur. Ah là là.
Three.
Moi, je suis bien avant.
Cake four.
C'est toi, Christophe.
My gosh. He's on vacation. Taylor. Wow.
C'est normal.
Taylor.
C'est normal.
C'est des crèmes ou c'est des fruits différents? Non, c'est différent. T'as panna cotta fruits.
C'est chocolat.
Et pommes vertes caramel.
Je crois que ça va le faire.
It's on now.
Et comme les grands.
Là, il veut plus manger son gâteau en fait. Ah, là, t'es bien là.
Why are you having this in your left hand?
Il est droitier ou gaucher?
Droitier.
S'il attrape tout de la main gauche. Hein.
Ah bon?
Joyeux Noël. Oui.
What in French?
Joyeux Noël. Qu'est-ce que tu dis toi? Blow out the candle, you go. Blow it.
Oh, allez, alléluia.
Alléluia.
Regarde, un spécialiste là.
Des gâteaux. Qu'est-ce que vous faites?
Vous soufflez la
Spécialiste des
bébé.
gâteaux, du coupage de gâteaux.
Ah non, moi je coupe pas. Moi.
Vas-y mon ami.
Oh.
Allez, fais-moi plaisir.
Blanc.
Allez.
Un bout de sopalin.
Ouais, sopalin. Allez.
Oh, c'est bon, t'en as pas.
Blow Taylor, blow. Blow. Yes, blow like that.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a?
Look at mama. Look at mama. Yeah.
T'enlèves le
Hard,
cache.
hard.
Mais oui, Christophe.
Blow Taylor, blow.
Avec son doigt de
Hard, really hard.
C'est vrai?
J'espère que non.
Non, j'ai pas mis mon doigt. C'est dur, hein?
Why you laughing at our kid?
Ah, presque. Allez.
Blow Taylor, blow.
Allez, coupe. Yeah.
Blow, blow. Fou, blow.
Oh putain, pas moyen.
Blow.
Hein?
Tyler, don't go too close. Ouais. No more.
Ça pue.
Ça pue. Don't touch. Touche pas. Joyeux. Non. No more. No more. You guys, man, I'm actually just here editing this vlog and realized that of course we didn't end it because we came home so late that night, which was early the morning. Maybe we got home like about 2 a.m. in the morning. These vacations just keep keep being good to us, and we're having so much fun and seeing so much friends and family, and we're just having an all-around good time. Especially Tyler, he's literally is in heaven. This boy get a gift every single day since he's here. He's having so much fun. The family completely adores him, and we're just happy. You coming to end the vlog with mama? So I'm just coming on to end the vlog. Though I won't give you an expression, I'm just wanting to tell you guys thanks for watching, and we appreciate every single one of you for catching up and keeping up with us. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Tyler, say bye, Fibs. Look at the camera. Say bye, Fibs. Bye, guys.
Mama.
Yeah.